Hey guys, it's Jumpy and today we are doing a comparison video, and we are comparing the new Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas to just a regular concealer because I want to know if this is any better than an actual concealer. Like, is this just concealer? Is it just a white concealer? That's what I want to know. I was so skeptical of this that I didn't even buy it. I stole it. I'm joking. My friend Allie sent this to me to try. She's like, I want to know what you think, and then maybe I'll get it for myself. But she sent this to me, so Allie, thank you so much. We are going to see what the hype is about. So I think this comes in a few shades, and I love Makeup Revolution, but I was so like, we're being like scammed here. Like, so the concealer I'm going to put up against is Makeup Revolution. This is my thing though. I like this concealer, but I don't like this concealer as a concealer. I think this is an okay concealer. This Conceal and Define, but I'm not like, oh my god, concealer. I like this though as a concealer to use as a cut crease concealer, like as a base. This is very affordable. This is a few dollars more. I'll list all the information on the screen. I'm pretty sure she got this at Ulta. Let's open it up and take a peek. Let's see. This is 0.14 ounces and this is 0.15 ounces. This also comes with an applicator brush, which I didn't know until just now. Oh, I guess it's, oh, it's actually, okay, the tip of this is the actual brush. This doesn't, I mean, this just has a doe foot applicator. Yeah, I'm gonna use this for both. Okay, I'm gonna use my actual like brush that I use for cut creases instead of this one. This looks very similar to this brush. This is just a little bit smaller, but it's basically the same thing. And you do get a little bit more, but this container is much, much bigger. But you can see it's not filled all the way. So there's that. So my eye makeup is done very messily, I might add, so I'm very sorry it looks like this. I did try to do a nice job, it didn't work. So we're gonna do the cut crease canvas on this side and a Conceal and Define on this side. And we are going to use the BH Studio Pro palette today. We're gonna pick a color from here. Oh, let's see, what color should we use? I kinda wanna do a teal. So I think we'll use these two. I think I'll start with this on the outer corner and use this on the inner corner. Sound good? Good. I'm gonna do a fast forward on this side with this, and then we'll do real time with this because we already know how this works, so let's do it. All right, so I'm just gonna go in and put some stuff on top because I don't want this to dry down, then I have to restart. So I'm gonna take that deepest shade, I'm gonna put it on the outer. Like, I know how this one is going to work. This is usually what I do. All right, now I'll go in with a lighter shade. If you've been wanting to try like the BH palettes, but you're not sure which one to get the Pro palettes. Like I think there's like 3 or 4. I have the 3 of them. They're beautiful. All right, so as you can see, it looks beautiful. It went down like with like it kind of makes your shadows pop. If you put metallic shadows down just on their own, they do give you that little bit of an extra, you know, of a pop that metallic shadows give you anyway. But if you put them down on a base, like a concealer base for a cut crease, it gives you something extra, like this. Now let's see why this is different. And I mean, in the end, I feel like for it to make a difference, it should look different. Because I know this will look the same all day. Like this will look like this all day. And I will go in, I have some Cinema Secrets brush cleaner, and I'm gonna clean this brush off real quick. All right, here we go. It's distributed just as well, but I do need a little bit more. This one seems to dry a little bit more, a little bit faster. Let's go pop this on. I'm just making sure that I didn't mess this up. So the directions say, after blending shadow along the socket line, use the flat brush to apply the cut crease to the eyelid, finish with eyeliner and mascara. You guys notice a difference? Was something magic supposed to happen? I will say, this side, the application does look a little bit like smoother. Can you tell? Like this side definitely looks a little bit smoother, but I think this side pops more. Like I think the colors popped a little bit more. This side definitely looks a little bit more textured because I feel like this was a thicker formula, the Conceal and Dfine. Now my question is, it says cut crease canvas, but then on the back it says full coverage eyeshadow base. So this could be either. So it's either a eyeshadow primer and or a cut crease base. So you could use it for either. I'm definitely gonna try it for eyeshadow base because this went on, like I said, very smooth. So I'm intrigued to try it for that. So I'm gonna use this in an upcoming video next to see. But if you're gonna get this just like for cut crease, I mean, go ahead because it's not too much of a price difference, but in my opinion, I don't think it's any difference than a concealer. So if you have a concealer that you love, you don't need this. But this is a drugstore product and it's pretty affordable, so you're not going to be wasting, you know, $20, $30 on a product that isn't gonna blow your mind. But now I'm actually wondering, because Adley said she saw a few people, and I've heard from other people too, that a few people had said like, this like rocked their world. And I don't think it's bad, I'm just not sure where the world rocking came in. Again, not bad, but as of right now, I don't think you need this for cut crease. It, again, went on smooth. We'll see how it wears throughout the day though. Check my description box below and I will update you guys on whether there was some kind of difference throughout the day. Like if it held better than one side or not. I'll let you know in the box below. Make sure you let me know if you'd like this kind of video. Stay tuned, I have way more coming up. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.